challenges of the bead and the hole. Come on now, you're gonna go. Well, if you're not gonna go now, I'm gonna try something different. I'll put this other little piece of copal in there. And I think I'll just start going intermittent then. Let's try a little silver bead. These are, again, this is a pewter hollow little bead. And, just, so you don't have to have a bead board. You don't have to have all the expert things going on all the time. You can pick up all kinds of things on the way and just start creating. Doesn't have to match. Doesn't have to be the same. Even though I really want to use this silver bead, I'll try it again. See, sometimes you just have to use a little patience, and then it says, okay, here you go. And then I'll use one of these really wonderful African trade beads. What it took to make this bead, I can't even believe. Look at all the swirlies on that thing. It's just amazing. Amazing, amazing. And let's see, I think I'll put on a bead. Another piece of red coral about now. And another one of these. You can see how important these little doodlies in the middle. They gotta have those little silver findings. Or actually, I've got some other ones here that are copper that are kind of really, don't find these all that often, but look how sweet they are. With this kind of metal, they'd really work well. So maybe I'll throw one of those in there, and we'll start with and another little small bead. Because we're just kind of like creating just all kinds of color. Goes with everything. No big sweat of what it is that you're going to think of next. You just are kind of ambling along, doing your bead thing, and then we're going to put this great big gorgeous bead from Istanbul on there with all of its hearts. It's just really yum. So no pendant on this one. This is all strictly just beads from beads. Pendants have their place too. Pendants, when you get into a pendant, you have to plan a little more. When you're just putting things like this together, you have a great freedom in it.